Hello everyone, I would like to talk today about the navigation in Unreal Engine. The navigation is here, and the first is the select object button, and the second is transform, rotation and scale. With the select button we can select a different objects in the scene. I will take now one trigger box and second trigger box. When you have the selection, select mode, turn on, you can select the different models in the scene. Or when you are in some other mode, like rotation for example, with the Q, you go back to selection. Toop. So the second one is translate. And it calls select and translate actually, because it's make the both. When you click, you select, and you can translate the object through the scene. The third one is select and rotate. With select and rotate, you can rotate it or select and rotate the object. And the fourth is select and scale objects. You can select and scale here the object like that. These three are hotkeys, like Q for select, W for select and translate, for select and rotate is A, and for scale is R. So Q, W, A, R. So that is very helpful, as the hotkeys what I mostly use in Unreal Engine. You can delete objects through the delete button in the keyboard. I'll delete one, and I want to show you here also, with this button you can change between the local and global navigation system. You can move the object on his axis, and in the local coordinate system you can move the object on his local axis. And when you change it to the world coordinate system, you can move the object on the world axis. The next is surface snapping. When the surface snapping is on, you can move the object through the scene in some steps. Here we make the steps on, like 5 units, make it 50, and you see how it's jumping through the scene in 50 steps units. Here we can change it from 1 to 10,000. Okay, that's a little bit too much. When we turn it off, then we can move the object completely free. Let's change it to 5. And the next is snapping on rotation. When you turn it on, you go to rotation, and then we can rotate the object in 30 degrees steps. We can change it from 5 steps to 120 steps. The next is the scaling. When you scale it, we can scale it uniform and non-uniform in one step. We scale now in 1 steps. We can make that to 10 step. So, or very small step, 0.1 step. With this button we can change the camera speed. So the speed how we move in the scene. Like, let's put it very down. Now we move with this kind of speed, 0.099. When we make it to 48, and you see that the speed is very fast. Oh, let's make it back to something normal for now. So we'll be okay. With this button here, you can change between 4 viewports. So you can see them here. That's perspective, back, right, and top. See, when you move one, you see the moving also in the other one, and so on. You can minimize or maximize them this way, and use it on the way how you like to. So I like to work mostly in the perspective. That's actually everything what I wanted to talk about in this tutorial. I hope it was helpful for you, and I wish you a nice day.